welcome back to my channel. Today I'm letting my soul glow. I'm letting my soul glow with Charlotte Tilbury's Glowgasm Lovegasm palette. Super excited about this one. I love a good palette. I love Charlotte Tilbury products and I love glow products. So where can we go wrong? So if you want to see what I'm wearing, how this all came together, what this bomb ass headband is on my head, just keep watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment because I love it when you do. Now let's get to it. So first up, I have to tell you what fabulous Breezy Tee product is on my head. This little piece right here is a little disrespectful. It's not respecting the moment. It is not respecting the moment. This is our Coral Extra Large Satin Head Scarf. Now I've shown you in a previous video what it looks like when it's completely covering my hair, but today I felt like wearing it as a headband because frankly, I'm in love with this color. And then look at the shine. Look at it. Look. Look how fabulous and luxurious that is. I'm absolutely loving this shine. It is perfect for spring and summer. For those of us that like neutral clothing, neutral colored clothing, it just adds that pop of color to a more neutral situation. And I just love it. I love that it's versatile. I can wear it different ways. And you know, I'm just really into headbands right now. And speaking of headbands, we're thinking about potentially bringing our headbands back. Don't know yet, it's not 100%, we're having the discussion, but maybe we've got some headbands back in our future. So if you want to check out any of our extra large satin headscarves, just visit us at breezytee.com. So I've gone ahead and I've done my face. I'm wearing Charlotte Tilbury's Flawless Filter that I'm obsessed with. I love Flawless Filter, and I love it at this time of year when it's warm and nobody has time for heavy makeup. It's just a nice covering of my face. I use it all over my face. It gives me a nice glow, a healthy glow, and I love it for the spring and summer specifically. And I've used my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away concealer in 10, and I'm tired, so I needed some magic to get the sleep situation away. And then I used the Magic Powder in 3 Tan Dark. I did a video for the concealer and the powder, and we'll link you to a video I did before about these products. I love them. Everything that I have from Charlotte Tilbury so far, I absolutely love. Now here's a closer look at Miss Glowgasm. Here we go. We've got a bronze, we've got a blush, and we've got 2 glow situations that we can wear on our cheeks, obviously. But I believe we can also wear it on our eyes and potentially our lips. You know, they're making these palettes now that just do everything, and I'm here for it. I love a multi-purpose makeup product. I just do, and I love palettes. I love to travel, and so this is just an easy way to travel. So let's see what Charlotte has to say about the 4 colors in this palette. So first up, this one, Light It, a soft champagne to highlight and illuminate your features. Next, Glow It, layer your level of illuminating glow. Pop It, a youthful rosy blush to illuminate your skin and bronze it, a neutral cocoa to tone, sculpt and define contours. Okay, so when things are not written grammatically correct, that last line threw me off. Okay, so that is what this palette is supposed to do. There are 2 palettes. There's a Lightgasm, I believe it's called, and then the Lovegasm, which is for the darker skin tones, and the lighter one would better suit the lighter skin tones. So I'm gonna go in first with the blush, okay? And it's a coral gold. It's not a rose gold. It's giving me a lot of coral, and I hope it translates. So it's a coral gold, and it's beautiful. So I'm gonna go in with the blush first. I'm gonna use my Wayne Goss number 10 brush. This picks up product really nicely. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, I so hope this is translating to camera. It really is a beautiful coral coral color. Very nice. What I love about this brush, I have to say, is I can't get too crazy with the color, which I love. Sometimes I have a heavy hand, so it's nice when the tool kind of stops me from going too crazy. Ooh, please, please be showing up. Oh, this is so nice. A nice coral peachy gold glow. And we're bringing it up. Now, as you know, or if you don't, you know now, Charlotte is another luxury brand. So the prices might make you clutch your pearls. But this is a big arse palette. This is a big arse palette. So this is gonna last for a minute, okay? This is really gonna last for a minute. So it is expensive, but you get a lot of product. And I can't stop putting it on my cheeks. Someone make me stop. And do we talk about the packaging? Super cute. We need to talk about that name though. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. I'm gonna stop myself now. Beautiful, beautiful coral peachy gold glow blush, and Wayne Goss did the trick. Next up, we're going to go in with the Lovegasm bronzer. Let's see. Okay. It's got a reddishness to it. One of my favorite bronzers, the Bobbi Brown Deep that I use for contouring, also has red tones in it. It's definitely showing up on the face. It's warming up my face. It's not the easiest thing in the world to get out, is it? So this did certainly warm my face up. It did. It did around the perimeter. It warmed my face up. It warmed my nose up. And I like it. I think it's a beautiful, subtle bronzer, and it gives some glow, subtle glow, which I love. It's not over the top, very wearable glow. And look at my cheeks when I smile. See how the blush appears even more. You can see the glow on the blush that I love. So far we're 2 for 2. It's coming together. I do want to see what it looks like on the bronzer on a deeper skin tone because it is subtle on me yet effective. I like subtle bronzers. So this works for me. Beautiful consistency. It was a little bit difficult for me to pick up out the pan. My finger comes up straight away. But the brushes, it's clearly I have the wrong brush. I have to step my brush game up. Next, we're gonna go in with the champagne gold color and try out some glow. Yep, I can see it straight away. She's pretty, she's pretty, she's pretty. Can we see that? Yeah, you can see that. She didn't come to play. I'm using my Sonia G Fan Pro brush. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Spring, summer, we are all about that glow. You can get away with it. Oh, and on vacation. So if you go to one place in the winter, you can certainly get away with the glow. Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna break it up this time and not carry it completely up this in a C shape up the side of my face. I'm going to just put it here, put it here. Oh yeah, I'm loving this. Very pretty with the peach. Loving the gold, the champagne gold into that corally peachy color. That looks really, really pretty. For powder highlighters, I always like to just end it with my finger to take out any demarcations. Because that's one of my pet peeves. One of my pet peeves in this world. on me. You do what you want to do, but I don't like when I can see harsh glow lines. And now my nose. Let's take it down the nose with my favorite workhorse, my little workhorse brush. This brush is for everything. My last video I went too over the top with the nose, and I don't like that, so I have to be more mindful. The tip of the nose. The bridge is okay. We're okay with the bridge, but the tip, I'm not a fan of. Rudolph Saves Christmas nose. And I'm gonna also put this color on my Cupid's bow. So for this last color, which is absolutely stunning, it's like a beautiful copper color. I just don't envision ever wearing that as a highlighter. It's not gonna happen. It's too much color for me as a highlighter. What I will wear it as though is a blush, but we've already applied blush. I think it would make a beautiful, just a blush situation here, and maybe. But that is where I would try it, or as eyeshadow. Like I said, I do love these palettes that kind of do everything, one palette, and I can get a lot of my face done. So I'm gonna put this on now as an eyeshadow, but it is super sparkly, it is beautiful, so we're gonna get this on the eyes. I'm just gonna wash my whole eye with this. With this brush at least, it does show much more subtle, which is nice. I'm liking this. How many videos later and I'm still not comfortable holding a mirror and shooting a video? It's true. Es verdad. It's true. But can you see how pretty this is? Oh, this is a stunning little eyeshadow situation. I think we found its home. Me gusta. I'm just gonna tap a little bit of this in the corner of my eye. So give it a little pop. Okay guys, I didn't want to forget to show you the swatches. So this is the beautiful blush. This is the bronzer. Here is the champagne gold highlight. And then here is the other highlighter that I use on my eyes. So beautiful color, but really pigmented. Okay, so this is the finished look. I put on some Bitch Please by Charlotte Tilbury on my lips and put some mascara on, some spray, get it all together. And I'm done. So I absolutely love this palette. I don't love the name. I have not spoken on that. Glowgasm Lovegasm. Listen, I'm in my 40s, so those kind of like cutesy, you know, marketing things, they don't work for me. But maybe somebody really loves it. I just, Sophisticated product doesn't match the name. That's all I'm saying. Sophisticated brand doesn't match the name. So it's not my favorite name in the world, but whatever. It's there. The palette is beautiful, and I love this type of glow. Sophisticated glow. Subtle glow, not too much at all. I love the blush. Love. Cannot say it enough. I'll be reaching for this blush all spring and summer. I just think it's beautiful. That corally gold just works really beautifully on my skin. And in days that I don't feel like putting on highlight, it even works because of the glow, it kind of takes care of that highlight blush situation. I can maybe put it a little higher and just put that on and be good to go. Love, 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 love. Champagne gold highlight, it's champagne gold. Champagne gold works beautifully on all skin tones, so I'm always a fan of a champagne gold highlight. I think it works beautifully with the coral peachy gold blush. I think it just all kind of just works together. And that other highlighter that for me personally is too much for a highlighter, I think it works beautifully on my eyes. The only one that's a question mark is the bronzer. It did work for me. I hope it translated. It did work for me, but it's still pretty subtle on me, so I can't imagine how this is gonna work on anyone whose skin tone is darker than mine. and my skin is not particularly dark. Okay, so I would have preferred it be a little darker, just because I don't think I can use that so much as a contour, and it mentions contouring in the thing. Personally, I don't think I could. I don't know if I would see much as a contour, but it did warm up the face a bit. I will say that. And I did love the creamy, powder creamy consistency. Did love that, okay? So that's my only note that I want to mention. If you're darker than I am, I don't know. And it's one of those products, and it's one of those price points that you want everything to work for you, eh? You want everything. It's not a 24, you know, shadow palette and 2 you don't love. They're 4. So for 4 at that price, I'm gonna need to get use out of all 4 things. And personally, I can, but I just wanted to say that for my sisters who are darker than I am, it's a question mark. I'm actually gonna look to see somebody who else does a someone else who does a review, because I'm curious myself how the bronzer specifically works. But for me, it all came together. I think it's lovely. I think it's beautiful. Charlotte has not disappointed me yet. Maybe I've just chosen well with the products. She has not disappointed me yet, and I've said it before, I'll say it again. I love products from makeup artists. I just find that the quality and the pigmentation and everything just seems to come through. So I'm rarely let down. This falls in line with that. So that's it for me, guys. I hope this video helped. And if you're a brown girl like I am, I'd be curious to hear what you think about the bronzer. If you've bought the palette, what are you feeling about the bronzer? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love it when you do. I love interacting with people. So don't forget to leave comments. And if you want to check out any of our satin head scarves, like the one I'm wearing as a headband today, any of our t-shirt hair towel wraps, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, natural curly girl tees, and more, just visit us at breezytee.com. If you want to come hang out on social media, we are Breezy Tee Towels 1 on Instagram and Breezy Tee Towels on Facebook and Twitter. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.